I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 Geography Objective Past Question 4. Which of the following settlements is nodal? A. Bis, B. Hop, C. Proga, D. Niti. So first we will locate we'll find these 4 settlements on the map. So the first one, this is Proga here. This is Hop here, this is Bis, and this is Niti. So those are the 4 settlements on the map. Now we are asked which of those settlements are nodal. Now a nodal settlement is a settlement that is located at a point of intersection of roads, of usually major roads. So we are looking at the major roads. So this is a major road, this is another, and this is another. So this is one, this is another road here, this is another road, this is another road. So we are looking at where they intersect, which is here. So this is the point of intersection of these 4 roads. Now the settlement that is located in that area is Niti. So this is the settlement around here, built around that area, around that node or point of reference. Therefore the correct answer is D. Niti is the nodal settlement. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.